Meaning of Dilbert.
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 Dilbert. Dilbert is the name of a popular comic strip and its titular character. Created by Scott Adams, Dilbert is a white-collar office worker who often finds himself at odds with the corporate culture of his workplace. The strip has been praised for its humor and satirical commentary on the modern workplace, including its use of common office jargon and bureaucracy. Dilbert has been adapted into numerous television shows, video games, and merchandise items, and remains a beloved figure in contemporary pop culture.